First trial. Oh.
Of getting her hair done, Deb. And this is really hot, so don't touch it. Always have to make sure you unplug it. That's how houses burn down, if you don't unplug it.
Okay.
Okay? Okay?
Yes, it's it.
They're prettier now that you, they're not as crazy. So look, before and after. They're longer waves, they're like waves.
Donkey.
First trip to Donkey's drive-thru.
Hmm?
Your first trip to Donkey's drive-thru?
Yeah. First Dunkin. What's this? Why it's two?
Because we got meal deals. It's $5 for a sandwich or $6 for a meal deal. So you get a sandwich and hash browns.
Nom nom.
Plus a coffee. Box now. Neat.
Yeah.
Some cute little boxes for you to take pictures of.
Let's go now. Yeah, it's done.
Dunkin' Donuts.
This is mine?
I don't know. You gotta open them to figure it out.
Yeah.
It's like Christmas with no.
The other, but in Josefina, it's not.
Oh.
And in Osamis. I think in Lanao, there's a kind of flat, and like.
Yeah? Because I want something like that.
Huh?
I want something like that.
Where is that?
Just a giant big stone.
Giant big stone.
That's
Sana
how
bang
I know
ni
it
ani
made it is when I can buy
ay.
one of
Ano
those.
ang ilang sementeryo, ilang menteryo dere na hinlo din flat din.
Like that gold.
One.
Gould. G-O-U-L-D. See the big,
gold.
big.
Yeah, that one yun. That
Yeah,
one.
it's not big.
The white one.
Okay, here.
What? I can see it. Hop. Why? Like what did it? Is it only a design?
Wealthy, important people.
Mm.
It's a wealth thing.
Yeah. Oh my god. How about that one? The white one. For the stone only. Design ang ilang stone. Ang uban, the other is flat, so
Oh, the same song.
maybe they are family. Same stone man. No, really, lagi because I like the light up the sky. Yeah, it's raining man. Hi everyone, good morning. So tayo ay magpapaganda today. Gagamit tayo ng wax. Gamit tayo ng mask. Lamig. Ito muna gamitin natin. Lamig ng tubig. So,
Ito ang gagamitin natin. Ito gagamitin natin ng Hearst. After natin itong oil-free acne wash, pink grapefruit foaming scrub. So, ano siyang foaming scrub. Next natin is gagamitin natin itong mask. Step 1. Mag-follow lang tayo sa step 1. Aqua Cellulose Exfoliating Gel. Okay. Gagawin natin ito. Ito is a gel. Onward. Magre-ready tayo para sa kasal. Huh? Excited akong ikasal. Like exfoliating gel. Sige. Da lang. Uy! Itong jacket natin. Ay. Vital Aqua Mask. I don't know kung tama ba itong ginawa ko. So, ang sabi, so it's 12:44 today. So, babalikan natin ito mamaya. Ito na. Nagka-timer na tayo. Ito na pagmumukha. Hindi siya perfect. Pero para tayong ano nito. Ayusin ko muna to. Kaya waman ko ka video nga akong gitang-tang. Kaya nalimot man ko. Kaya nalingaw ko panit sa mangga. So, dili na ta sa step 3 sa to ang ginabuhat, no? Kung ano siya. Skin Glow Cream. Diba? Siya, di ba tamuga pa, ani? Gaan akong akong eye bags. Drink, under eye bags. Hindi ko balambutang og cream ay, pero bahala na basta kay mabutang tanan. Pila na kanina. Para ma-balance po. Tea Tree Master Foot Mask. Diba? Ultimo atong PL. Kitanta mo. Today! Foot mask. Diba? Siya, di pa tamo pa ne? Diba? So, anyway, nahuman ako sa kong gibuhat. Nag-hawk tinidor kayo magkauntag mangga. So, muna niya itong nawong at talaga sa magluto sa og pansit canton. Muna yung another day, another vlog na to. So, ito na niya siyang ilunod ba? Kaya nakakuha na ta, nakainit naman siya. Dili ka healthy karon. Pero ganina, healthy ta ganina. Atong gikaon kay mangga. Karon dili na pod. So, normal na itong naong ha. Kasi makaingon mo blooming ta. Natanawa. Maragitag nanay. Ano nagpugong sa itong buhok. Di na nangamaong. Taka na lang. So, wala to lang na itong maluto to siya. Kaya para makakaon na ta. So, ito sa lingkuan ang tubig. Kaya yun na rin na to. That's it. Dili lang siya halang. Actually, gusto ko itong spicy, pero Next time na po ito. Hindi na ito mang orange. Hindi na ito. Oo, lamig kayo.
A few moments later.
Nice. Good try. At least next time.
The next day.
What you doing?
Hi.
To the 47.
You should have tripod here. Because I will do vlogging here. There. What is the taste? Lame?
Yummy. It's like a pork rind.